in the first place, okay, the very fact that the Articles of Impeachment has been transmitted to the Senate, that is already proof that the House of Representatives has complied with the rule. Insofar as they are concerned, they have complied with the rules. And they have the rules of impeachment also. Wala akong nakita doon any violation by the House of Representatives, unlike on the part of the Senate. Because I've been rereading, actually, the rules of impeachment of the Senate. And there's nothing there about dismissal. The motions there pertain to technicalities and evidentiary matters, but not the very issue of continuing or dismissing it before trial.
I think that is what happened. That's why the impeachment court did not dismiss it, because they don't know yet what to do with the issues that was raised by the Senator Judge De La Rosa. That's why Senator Cayetano just said, hey, maybe we can just ask the House to just certify these matters. So, I mean, that is the political side of it, because this is a sui generis case. It is not merely legal, but the political side of it is that it is a collegial body. They have to talk amongst each other, how do we navigate this issue? And that is how the impeachment court, by the majority vote, exercised its wisdom by just referring it back to the House and, hey, let's dialogue about it and let's settle it amongst ourselves.
A very clear parallel issue here is about the confidence of the public, the trust of the public in the whole proceedings. So, how do we ensure that the faith, the confidence of the public, the trust of the public is maintained? There's only one answer. Follow the Constitution.
The confidence of the public in the impeachment court process cannot be undermined by especially the litigants. So we have to have faith in the rule of law. Because what if it happens that the impeachment court will now favor the person who is actually chipping away at the credibility of the court? What will happen? The public will not think of it as a fair decision. So that is what the impeachment court is trying to do, to balance everything out, to avoid a constitutional crisis. Because the try and decide doesn't have any demonstrable or measurable standard that the Supreme Court can actually decide on. So it is making up its own interpretation because of the fact it has the power to do so under Nixon versus U.S. as stated in Estrada versus Desierto.